Maybe we'll reanalyze this in the afternoon session. Yes, bank. This is the one. Ignore it or trade it first till this level. Look to reversal or this level. If not, more downside, but this is a potential zone where you will make your decision, buy or sell. Okay, so on it's in the between, but it's near the top area. Any sell setup you see, take that one, right? That's the potential, and then this. So do we have one, two? Yep, perfect. Look for sell setups. As of now, if you get it, take the sell setup in the SPEC. Should we buy? I don't see buy reason here because we are completing this one. We are completing that. It's a place to look to sell, not to buy. Alright, so that's all the charts. If you have any question, you can shoot. I'll put it on mute. Yes, bank. I have not seen any special thing in it. However, pay attention, as we have discussed since last days, it has to complete this move. Once it complete near this area, look for any reversal, or as per the structure looking. If you want to sell this thing right now, they are giving the sell setup for intraday. Take the sell if you want to, and when it comes near this area, put it to break even or book the profit. Up to you. But that leg has to be completed, right? शुरू से यही हो रहा है. Nothing new, it's just I'm repeating which we have discussed in the previous session. So it's that much powerful. So near this area, look to any reversal. Before that, just keep selling it. Do you get a buy setup before that? If market wants to complete this pattern, I'll show you example. That will be the similar structure with everything you are trading. So they have to come out of the structure before if they don't want to tag the bottom, they have to come out of the structure. Only then you can re-look at this thing and then decide, is it changing the direction based on the condition and the pattern you see. Until then, as long as you're maintaining this trend for the downside, we expect them to take or complete the pattern and then give you either reversal or continuation.